Hey everyone, welcome to a very short demonstration on the Objectives and Development feature. The focus on this demonstration will be from the employee's perspective, how they can use their employee self-service, also known as eSS, to update their existing objectives and development in their record, and also to add their own personal goals against their record too. So some really great features and capability that they have here from their self-service, so we're just going to run through that. First off, to be able to access your objectives and development screen as an employee, you must be logged into your eSS portal, and then once you're logged in, like I am here, you just head to the Me item on the top menu. You click on that, and then you come down and you click on the Objectives and Development option, and you'll be taken to this screen. So to update and view the details of an objective, the button to click are these ones here on the right of the objective title. So today we're going to have a look at this intermediate course in Big Data Analytics because it is overdue. If I click on this button, it will show me a bit of a description, and then I can update this objective here as well. So I'll have the ability to edit a few fields, and what I want to do is I just want to say that actually we did complete this. We might not have completed it on time, but we completed it on Tuesday. So I'll click Update, and we can see now that it's gone green and changes are pending. But what about if I want to submit a new objective? So I have a personal goal. Then I head up here to add a personal objective. I click on this and I get a blank screen for myself to fill in. So I'm going to call this copywriting. And in the description, I'll just put a summary of what my goal is here. You can put a date when you want to have started this objective, and I will leave it as today, which is often the default. But you can click the calendar to change it. I won't add a completion or due date yet, but I will add that I do require some resources. So I will ask for 1 half day a week to focus on my copy, and $25 for the online course that I need to enroll in to get started. And then just because I've mentioned a cost, I might just help my manager out and fill in this area too. $25. Once I'm happy with all the detail that I've put in there, I'll click Add this objective, and we'll see that we now have an objective here, copywriting, and it just has changes pending next to it. So I'll quickly explain the reason why it says changes pending is because any change that an employee makes in their self-service portal will be sent to enableHR and will just require the approval of a manager before it is actually saved. So as a manager or an HR team member, when an employee adds a personal goal, we can actually see them come in from the employee management dashboard. So I've just refreshed my page, and as you can see, I'm just here on the self-service approvals tab. And if we look down, there's a few different things that I need to approve or reject. And at the very bottom, we have the objective for copywriting. And we can also see that we've got something to approve for the objective that is the intermediate course in Big Data Analytics. We can see that both of these are for Amy. So we know these are the ones that we've just submitted. Let's go and view the new objective first. So it brings up a screen which gives us a summary of the information that the employee has provided. If for some reason there isn't enough information or you want to approve it, then you can use this box to give a reason why you're not approving it. And you can click this box to create a task and set a date. However, I'm not going to do that this time. I think this is a great goal, so I will approve that now. And then I'll just go through and quickly approve this as well. Fabulous. So that has cleared them off the list. If we go back quickly to Amy's actual employee record as well, then we should now see these updates translating into her actual employee record. So there we are, we're in the objectives and development screen, and we can see the copywriting personal has been added. So that's fantastic. If you have any other questions or you need any more support around this area, please don't hesitate to contact our awesome client experience team at support@enablehr.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.